Welcome guys, welcome to this video. So currently our blog posts are displaying in full and I don't want that. I want to make it look something like this. So we have a read more button, and when we click on it we get a complete full post. Now we want to customize the length as well. So what length user sees, we are going to customize that, and we are going to see how we can use Excerpt in WordPress, what other options WordPress provide out of the box. So let's get So when we want to add the read more button, WordPress provide us a very simple way. We go into the posts, and inside the posts, anywhere wherever you want to add the read more button, so you simply add, and you can search here read more, and you get this. You click on it, you get the read more. You simply click update, go to the posts, you will notice there is a more button. Now we don't want it this way because it is going to add in only single post. Now if I have more than 40 or 50 posts, I'm not going to add read more in each post like this. It is going to take a lot of time. So in that case I'm going to remove this from here and update again. Now it is going to be removed from the post list. Now also I want to show some different content here, not the post content. I just want user to have some introduction about the post in different wording, and then user goes to the post and sees this content. So in the post you will see in the post tab you will see the excerpt. So you can write something here about your post that user sees in a list page, and then user clicks on that post and sees the original content. So if I say here some sample content, and I'm going to update this, and when I go to the page here, currently it's not going to display that because currently in our index.php we are using the function the content, and here we just added the excerpt. To show this we need to use a different function, and that is excerpt. So I'm going to remove this content from here, and I'm going to say excerpt. And now if I go to the page and refresh, you will see that our every single post is now short. You can see this, and also we have in our fifth post the custom content. So this is not the content that is inside the post. You can see that it's something different. So your user can see, all right, this post is something about you. You can have some compelling title or description here, and user clicks and then user sees the details. But I want a read more button, and not just like this. So to add the read more button, we want to do a bit more customization. In that case we go back here and we change this function to get the excerpt. Now when we use the underscore content, all right, in this case WordPress is going to add p tag automatically, so we don't need to add p tags. But in case of get the excerpt we need these p tags. So I have the p tags here already, so no problem. And we need to echo this function. All right, and to add the read more button, I'm going to say here anchor tag, and inside it I'm going to say read, and we need to provide the permalink. So I'm going to open and close the PHP tag, and inside it we are going to call WordPress function the underscore permal. Now once we have this we can save it, and if I go here we get our read more button. Now we don't want it inline, so we can put a break tag here or HR, up to you how you want to design your blog posts. Now it's in the new line, so user clicks on it and goes to the post. Now currently in our blog, when we are clicking on this, we are not getting the full post. The reason is we currently powering our single page of post using index.php, and that's the reason, because we have here read more and the same thing we are seeing here. So for handling the single post we need to create a new file, and I'm going to create it here. It's going to be single.php, and I'm going to copy everything from the index.php, whatever content we have there. And here, all we need to change is this. So I'm going to remove this portion of code, and I'm going to add here the content. So now I save this, go to the post page, refresh. Now you see the complete post is looking just fine. So you go here, you click on any of the posts. Now you can see that we have some custom content here. When we click read more, we have the post content, which is different from the custom content. All right, now we can even customize the length as well. So currently this is, let's say if I want to show just the 2 lines or a bit more, not this long. So for that, what we need to do, we need to go into the functions.php in our project, in our theme, and here we are going to add the function length. All right, so here we are going to create a function, and I'm going to say custom. All right, and then we're going to return a number, and that is going to be basically the length. So it's going to be returned, and I'm going to say here 30, and we are going to see how it looks. And we need to add it into a filter, so add underscore filter, and it's going to be x, and the second argument going to be the function name that we need to provide. So copy and paste here, and now we need to save it. Have a spelling mistake. Now save this, go back there and refresh. You can see the length is customized. Now it's a lot less, but I want a bit more than this, so let's add 5 more here, and go back there, refresh. So you can have the customization as you want. Now we have the custom length as desired. So currently we are showing excerpt on our page, and we have custom content here, and all the posts are showing using excerpt. But what I want is that if I add excerpt from admin area like here and adding the excerpt field, only then I show read more, otherwise full post. So to do that, what we need to do, we need to use the conditional logic here, and for that I'm going to go here where we have our excerpt, and I'm going to start PHP tag and put a if condition here, which is going to check. So it's going to be $post, and it is going to check post underscore excerpt. So if there is an excerpt, do this. So I'm going to end the PHP and start PHP again, and I'm going to cut all this HTML that we have here, which is creating the read more button. I'm going to paste here, and here I'm going to say else, in case we don't have any custom content added in our edit post here, then I'll show the complete post. So simply we say the and save this. Now if I go here and refresh, you will see that we have the read more button here, and rest is all complete posts, and which is quite nice. So we know how we can do this now. If we want to show full post as well as the customized post, you can have any post customized. You can go here. Also you can put any post, you can stick any post to the top using stick to top here. You can check this and update it. The posts will remain on top. If you like our video, do like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.